The 2027 Mazda CX-90 is arriving in 4 distinct trim levels, and choosing the wrong one isn't just a budget mistake, it's a completely different ownership experience. If you're planning to walk into a dealership without knowing exactly what separates these 4 trims, you're risking thousands of dollars on features you'll never use, or worse, missing the ones that would have actually changed how you feel about the vehicle every single day. Most buyers assume the base trim is a stripped-down compromise and the top trim is the obvious smart choice, but the reality is that the best value in this entire lineup sits somewhere most shoppers walk straight past, and we're about to show you exactly where it is. Number 4. Select. The entry point for the CX-90 lineup is sitting at $41,000, and what makes the Select genuinely surprising is how much it's delivering right out of the gate. Power is coming from a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 engine rated at 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, a setup that puts most naturally aspirated rivals firmly in the rear view. An 8-speed automatic is handling shifts, and all-wheel drive is arriving as standard equipment on every single CX-90 trim, a detail that competing 3-row SUVs frequently charge a significant premium for. Outside, the Select is wearing 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, and roof rails from the factory. A power liftgate and proximity keyless entry are also part of the package. The cabin is seating up to 8 passengers with a second-row bench configuration, and the upholstery is a synthetic leather covering every seat at this level. Tri-zone automatic climate control is operating across the front row, middle row, and rear of the cabin independently, which makes temperature disagreements on long family drives considerably more manageable. Infotainment is running on a 10.25-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both included. Wired at this level but fully functional, 8 speakers are handling audio duties throughout the cabin. Consider what it actually means to be shopping a 3-row SUV at this price point. Most buyers at this budget are accepting safety compromises to stay within range. The CX-90 Select is taking a different approach. Adaptive cruise control, frontal collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a driver attention monitor are all arriving as standard equipment, features that several competing base trims are still holding back behind optional packages. Fuel economy is landing at 23 miles per gallon city and 28 highway, solid output for a turbocharged 6-cylinder pulling a 3-row body. The Select is delivering real value, but $4,000 more is where the CX-90 stops being merely capable and starts becoming the vehicle people actually look forward to driving every morning. Number 3. Preferred. At $45,000, the Preferred is doing something the Select simply isn't. It's transforming the CX-90 from a capable vehicle into a genuinely comfortable one. The gap between fine and enjoyable is often measured in exactly the kind of features this trim is introducing. Anyone who has spent a full winter commuting in a vehicle without seat heating knows the feeling well. Cold leather first thing in the morning, a steering wheel that takes 5 minutes to warm up, passengers in the back who aren't covered by any of it. The Preferred is directly addressing that reality. Heated and ventilated front seats are now standard, alongside a heated steering wheel and heated second-row seats. The driver's seat is gaining memory settings, so preferred positions are loading automatically at each start. The front passenger seat is also becoming power adjustable from this trim forward. On a long winter commute, those additions stop being optional amenities and start being the things that define whether a drive is genuinely pleasant or just tolerable. The infotainment screen is growing to 12.3 inches, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now in the picture. A wireless phone charger is integrated into the center console, and additional USB charge ports are distributed across the cabin. The wheels are stepping up to 21 inches, which sharpens the exterior stance considerably. Front and rear parking sensors are arriving as standard equipment, and a moonroof is coming in as well, opening the cabin on demand. The Preferred is also available with the plug-in hybrid powertrain. That version pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The headline figure is an EPA estimated 27 miles of electric-only range per charge, paired with a combined efficiency rating of 56 miles per gallon equivalent. Charging the battery to full on a 240-volt connection is taking approximately 2 hours. For buyers with a daily commute under 25 miles, the PHEV Preferred is creating a completely different ownership equation. The Preferred is already a strong package, but what the premium Sport is doing to the practicality and performance side of the equation is something the comfort upgrades here aren't even touching. Number 2. Premium Sport. Starting at $49,000 for the standard turbo version, the Premium Sport is where the CX-90 lineup is shifting its character in a way that's immediately felt from the driver's seat. This trim is introducing equipment that genuinely changes the daily driving experience. Think about what happens every time you're loading groceries, sports equipment, or luggage into the back of a full-size SUV with both hands occupied. The power liftgate on the lower trims still requires a free hand. The Premium Sport solves that. The liftgate is now going hands-free, activating via a foot gesture under the rear bumper, the kind of feature that sounds minor in a spec sheet and becomes indispensable within the first week of ownership. The sunroof is also becoming a panoramic unit at this level, covering the full roof line rather than a single section. Towing capacity is receiving a significant jump as well, going from 3,500 pounds up to 5,000 pounds with the appropriate package, enough to pull a mid-size boat or a loaded utility trailer without operating near the vehicle's limit. Inside, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster is replacing the standard gauge layout, giving the driver a configurable and cleaner sightline to vehicle information. A 12-speaker Bose premium audio system is becoming standard equipment. The step up from the 8-speaker unit below is audible immediately. Integrated navigation, satellite radio, and a head-up display are all joining the package at this trim, projecting key driving information onto the windshield so eyes stay on the road. Road departure mitigation, traffic jam assist, and traffic sign recognition are also rounding out the driver assistant suite here. Buyers wanting more power can step into the Turbo S Premium Sport, which is producing 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, which makes itself felt most clearly during highway passing. This trim is genuinely impressive on paper, but the materials you'll be sitting in and the safety systems working around you are where the Premium Plus is operating on a different level entirely. Number 1. Premium Plus. The Premium Plus represents the 2027 CX-90 in its most complete form. The standard turbo version is arriving at $52,000, the Turbo S edition is landing at $59,000, and the PHEV variant is topping the entire lineup at over $60,000. Adaptive headlights are standard on the Premium Plus, physically rotating their direction as the vehicle corners to keep the road properly lit through turns. That's not a comfort upgrade. That's active safety technology that most vehicles in this price range are still treating as optional. Reverse automatic emergency braking and front cross-traffic alert with automatic braking are also arriving standard at this level, extending active collision prevention into scenarios the Premium Sport is leaving to driver reaction time alone. A surround view camera system is coming in as well, producing a bird's-eye perspective of the vehicle when maneuvering into tight spaces. The windshield wiper de-icer is also standard here, a detail that reads minor until the first below-freezing morning of the season. Napa leather upholstery is replacing the standard leather from the lower trims throughout the entire cabin. The texture and softness difference is noticeable from the moment of contact. This is a material upgrade that genuinely changes the daily relationship between the driver and the interior, rather than simply looking good in photographs. Second-row captain's chairs are now standard, dropping total seating to 7 but delivering substantially better comfort and third-row access than the bench configuration below. Those choosing the Turbo S Premium Plus will find quilted leather upholstery and upgraded interior materials across the cabin. Execution that puts this variant in direct comparison with entry-level luxury brands on interior feel alone. A second-row center console and a 115-volt household power outlet are also part of the top trim package. The Turbo S Premium Plus is completing 0 to 60 in approximately 6.3 seconds, placing it ahead of several class rivals while carrying a 3-row body wearing one of the more refined interiors in the segment. The 2027 Mazda CX-90 is a lineup that rewards buyers who take the time to understand what each trim is actually offering. Every level is building on the one below it in ways that go beyond a simple feature checklist. From the entry-level select punching well above its price point, through the comfort-focused Preferred and the capability-driven Premium Sport, all the way up to a Premium Plus that's closing the gap between mainstream and luxury in ways that are genuinely difficult to ignore at these prices. Whichever trim ends up making sense for your budget and lifestyle, the CX-90 is making a strong case that you don't have to spend luxury money to get a luxury-feeling experience. But the CX-90 isn't the only mainstream SUV that's punching way above its class. Some of the direct rivals do the same. Starting from the 2027 Kia Telluride, you can check out in our next video. It's getting a full redesign with a bolder design, an even more luxurious cabin, and a couple of brand new powertrains.